right, I've had this bike sitting here overnight, and I think it's ready for a test ride. I'll invite Kevin down to do that in the next day or two. I can do test rides. I mean, seriously, I still ride. I'm going to North Carolina to ride for a week with my brothers. But anyway, this has been sitting here overnight with this paper towel here, and there is nothing. So no leakage from here. That's a good thing. So unless there's other things to do, I think that this bike is complete. So we'll have Kevin come down and do a test ride, and then the client can pick it up.